Welcome back to the pavement. So I got this timing belt on. She's nice and snug, just where she needs to be at. But check out these stud holes though. Shot, 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 shot again, shot. That middle one I probably can get out though, honestly. I'm gonna try. Yeah, these stud holes are just ate up, man. Might got a little thread back there. I don't know. That one shot. Looks bad. I had to helicoil that. That middle one, I'm gonna try to get out. That second one there, yeah. I'm gonna try to get this one out. It's broke off kind of far in the back. Yeah, for the most part, these stud holes are just terrible. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. I think I got her out, dog. I think I got her. Oh, too tight. Hold on. Let me grab this. Yep. Let's get it. So I'm having a problem with my wideband gauge. AFR, innovative gauge. Anybody tell me what this issue is? So I have power. And it shows heat. But it's going to continue to show heat. So we're going to wait. So that way you can see what the problem is. I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes. And all it said was heat. Anybody understand or anybody know what this problem may be or why I'm getting this issue? Also, excuse the way the car look. It's terrible. Especially down all them wires and stuff. But yeah, back to the gauge. Running up on 10 seconds now. What is the problem with this gauge and why is it only saying heat? Someone help, please.